Difference between meditation and mindfulness. Meditation and mindfulness are often used interchangeably, but they have distinct meanings and practices. Both are powerful tools for mental well-being, yet they serve slightly different purposes and are practiced in different ways. Meditation is a broad term that refers to a variety of practices that focus the mind, usually involving deep concentration, breathing techniques, or visualization. The goal of meditation is often to achieve mental clarity, emotional calm, and inner peace. There are many types of meditation, such as focused attention, loving kindness, transcendental, and guided meditation. Mindfulness, on the other hand, is the practice of being fully present and aware in the current moment, without judgment. It can be practiced at any time, whether you're eating, walking, or working. Mindfulness is actually a form of meditation, but it doesn't always require a formal setting. In summary, meditation is a structured practice that may include mindfulness, while mindfulness is a way of living with present moment awareness throughout your day. Thanks for watching. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video. See you next time.